Hey guys, what's going on? It's Trista here, and today guys I'm going to be unboxing the Motorola V360 that I bought from essentially the same place I always buy phones. So open with scissors. Let me take off the tape first. Okay guys, I kinda got the box kinda open. Don't have good tools to open, so yeah, it came on the more modern Motorola box, but I'm not keeping it. I'm just keeping the phone, of course. So here we got the charger for it, and I'm actually surprised that this phone came earlier than the MX800, because the MX800 came from my city and this one came from another state. So yeah, so here's the phone, Motorola V360 on 10. Works, as you can see here, but no SIM card. Let me get this SIM card. Here's I don't remember where do I have a. Let me get the SIM card. So here's the SIM card, guys. So let's put the SIM card on the SIM card tray here, carefully. Let's not break the SIM holder. The battery seems to be a bit bloated, but I have a lot of these batteries, so it's no big deal. Also, the phone is kind of in good condition, but it has some scratches, as you can see here. But yeah, it's the only thing that's not okay from this phone. So yeah, I put the SIM card in and let's see if the phone works. Yes. Strange animation. Oh my god. It's old owner number, but this old number. Look at this wallpaper. It's a cow. And the main reason I bought this one was because of this Motorola charger, which I didn't have, and for this ringtone. Let me show. Where's the ringtone? No, not this one. No. Are you kidding me? I think the Brazilian version does not have the ringtone. Oh crap. I think the Brazilian version only has the MIDI ringtones. Yes. There is no MP3 ringtones. Sad. So yeah, at least I got the phone. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys on the MX800. So bye guys.